Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. I am here with your second chapter in geography, a new chapter. Once again, I am starting here. Physical features, physical features of our country or physical features of India. This is chapter 2. In the first chapter, it has been taught about the land, about the size of the lands of our country. But in this chapter, we will go through different physical features. First of all, let me introduce this chapter. First of all, what is this physical feature? What do you mean by physical feature? Physical means that which we can see. See, we can touch and feel physically, as if in biology we have studied physical and internal. Internal means that which is inside our body. In biology we have studied about it. And physical, which we can see. Physical change, chemical change, you have studied in chemistry. Physical change means the change which you can see. So in the same way, the physical features of India means the things of India which you can see in map, which we can see from outside. So these physical features of our earth consist of 5 main parts. What are those? Mountain, plain, plateau, desert, and island. These are the 5 main physical features of our earth. These all are visible, so they are called physical. Now, in India, we can see one more physical feature. What is, that is coastal plain. Coastal plain, the plain, just or the places or the plain or the places, states which are near the coast. Coast means near the seas, which reside beside the seas. So this is the special feature of our country, coastal plain. Now the question arises, how or why they have such appearances? Why the different places of our country, different physical features of our country have different appearances? This is due to rock, this is due to weathering, this is due to erosion, and this is due to deposition. These are the 4 factors due to which these different types of landforms are being formed. So, first of all, rock. Rocks are of different shapes. So our relief feature is also different. Weathering, when these rocks are being withered, broken, or being withered means which has been withered by the water, constant flowing of water through rocks will just wither the rock. Then it will have different features. Erosion you have already studied in standard 8, soil erosion. In the same way, when the soil being is eroded, when the rocks are big rocks are being withered, these soil materials is flowing from one place to another, giving rise to fertile, unfertile, or deposition of more and more soil will give to tableland, there is plateau. So these are the way by which different features of the earth is being formed. Fourth one is deposition. When these soil particles which has been eroded is deposited in another part, this is called deposition, and due to which new landform is being formed. So in this way, the land is being formed by different physical features. Their appearances are different due to these things: rock, weathering, erosion. So now our earth, now the physical features of India, the physical features of India can be grouped under all the physical features which I have told you, that physical features of our land can be grouped under different physiographic divisions. So Earth can be grouped under various different forms. What are those? So there are 6 different forms of the Earth. It means Earth can be divided. The Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateaus, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, the islands. So we have to go through these points gradually, point-wise, one by one. 6 points. So these are very important points. But then also, this is the introduction of the chapter. In my next video, I will be teaching you some of the few more points how these weathering of rocks or different physical features have been formed. So wait for my next video. This is the just introduction. Thank you.